Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to change payment method on Google AdSense. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily change your payment method on Google AdSense. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Google. Now once you open your Google, all you need to do is to click on AdSense login. So AdSense login over here. Now once you search for once you search for AdSense login, you can see the first link over here. Click on it and it's gonna take you to this place, but you need to make sure you are using the Gmail account which is associated with your AdSense account. So you need to make sure you log in. Now once you open your Google AdSense, now click on the three lines at the top left corner, and once you click on that, you can see over here AdSense for YouTube. Click on this, and once you click on that, just wait as it is loading over here. And once it is opened over here, now click on the three lines at the top left corner once again, and once you click on that, you can see this option which says payment. Click on payment, and once you click on payment, click on payment info. So it is very easy to do this on your phone. And once you go to payment info, all you need to do is to just scroll, and once you scroll you can see how you get paid, and you can see manage payment method. Click on manage payment method, and once you click on that, you can see primary payment method over here. So you can choose to remove the old one that you are using. Now I want to add a new payment method, so click on add payment method, and then click on add new wire transfer details. So click on this option, and once you click on new wire transfer, you can see it will be demanding for this form, so you have to fill all this form. The first option is optional, so you can see name on bank account, so enter the name on your bank account. So let me enter mine. Then you enter the bank name, which is the second option. So as for me, I prefer Access Bank. That's the bank that I have been using. And then your bank Swift BIC. So if you don't know your bank Swift BIC, you can contact your bank. So you can just contact them and they will send it to you. So it is very simple. As for me, mine is here, so let me copy mine, then let me paste it over here. Now then you enter your account number. So let me enter my account number. Then you can type account number. So you can see retype account number. So you need to make sure you enter same thing over here. So after filling all these forms, you are done. So your name on the bank account, name on the bank account, your bank name, the name of the bank, and then your SWIFT BIC. So you can see, like I said earlier, if you don't know your SWIFT BIC, just contact your bank and then you enter the account number. Now once you are done, then you enter set as primary payment method, and once you are done with this, then you click on save and your details will be updated, and that's it. So make sure you take this set as primary payment method, and once you are done, just click on save, and that's it. So after doing this, you can choose to remove your old payment method. So this is very, very simple. You can click on the link under the description to join my Telegram community so that we can link up. And I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.